I agree with Einstein and many of his concepts, many of his theories, but he misinterpreted the time, and therefore they are wrong because of the bad interpretation of time. I am Torkild, and I'm a Danish engineer. I've been working with computers all my life, but since I was a child, I've been very interested in the world, in the universe, in the stars, in astronomy. I have been thinking about time, and therefore I studied the theories of Einstein, and a very central thing in these ideas is time can go slower in some situations. I found out that it's wrong, that it's wrong, that it's wrong, that it's wrong, that it's wrong. Einstein and his teacher Minkowski made up a concept called space-time, and this is a mathematical construction. And many times you could read or hear that we live in space-time. Just realize we are living in space-time, we are moving around in space-time. It has no meaning. You cannot live in a mathematical construction. Space-time is a mathematical construction, and it has something to do with the real world, but not very much. But not very much. In a gravity field, time is going slow. It's well known that a black hole is a place the gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape. At the boundary of a black hole, it is said, I don't say though, that time is going to halt completely because time is going slower and slower, and at the boundary it just stops. Nothing would be able to move into a black hole. If time stops, then everything stops. Nothing can move. Nothing can move. Nowadays you can make atomic clocks so accurate that if you have got two of them synchronized side by side, then if you raise the one about 10 centimeters and maybe even less than that, then you can see the difference. They will show different time. The raised clock will go faster because it's further away from the center of the Earth. That means the gravitational field is weaker the higher you go. And that's something you can measure. The time is something else. The time is something else. One of the reasons that people talk about time as a mystery, that is that you cannot feel it, you cannot touch it with your fingers. It's a thought. Things are going on, the Earth is rotating, and thereby we have the feeling of time. But time itself is only a concept, it's a mental concept, it's not physical in any way. I've tried to write about time in my book, and when I read other books, I see wrong descriptions of time. Time is just a registration of movements, especially of the rotation of the Earth. I hope you will find in my book the real explanation of what time is, even more important, what time is not.